what someone sees depends on her point of view. There's an amazing view of your health from here, the eTech City ESF17 Bluetooth Fitness Scale, which pairs with the free V-Sync Fit app, measured within sleek and modern design. Stats like weight, body fat, and BMI are merely 3 out of 13 comprehensive health readings. With one step onto solid tempered glass and quick Bluetooth pairing with your smartphone, you get a crystal clear LED reading and access to a wealth of knowledge. It accommodates the most scheduled person as well as the most spontaneous. With auto recognition capability, it'll recognize each profile just the same. Whether you're the first user or the fifth, whether you're after a healthy BMI of 20 or a lean 17, and whether you're an adamant Apple iOS or Android user, you'll see more with the eTech City Fitness Scale. As you weigh in, you can also push your V-Sync Fit data to Fitbit, Google Fit, or Apple Health. Seeing your progress comprehensively tracked over time is encouraging, so is starting your progress. With the ability to host unlimited users, this scale is willing to measure as many who are willing to be measured. Add as many members as you want, or set up your own profile today. We're making it remarkably easy to build on better living.
Exercising the pelvic floor muscles, also known as doing your Kegels, is of tremendous benefit to women. A strong pelvic floor can increase sexual arousal, improve bladder control, and help prepare your body better for childbirth. Yet many of us don't exercise our pelvic muscles on a regular basis. The reasons for this are many, but it comes down to that we don't think to do them. We might not know how to do it correctly. We think it's boring, and it takes time to see any progress. So we have combined the forefront of design suited to women and their anatomies with the most user-friendly, precise technology to boost the experience and give you a simple and motivating way to exercise your pelvic floor regularly. We call it Loop. It consists of the Loop sensor and the Loop exercise and tracking app. The two connect wirelessly using Bluetooth low energy technology. The sensor is made of body-safe silicone with a soft and smooth surface. It's shaped ergonomically for easy insertion and for better internal grip. The asymmetry of the shape also allows the user to twist it from side to side once inserted to get a better fit. Whether you have strong, regular, or weak muscles, you can use Loop to train them. The resistance in the silicone shape itself, combined with the air pressure sensor within, allow for this. Inside there is also an accelerometer which detects which way the Loop sensor is moving and what posture you're in. This way you'll always know you're doing it correctly, no matter if you're doing the exercise standing, sitting, or lying down. Loop will even calibrate itself to your level of strength. The first time you use Loop, you will squeeze your pelvic muscles as hard as you can. This will set your starting point from which your progress will be measured. You can choose a more straightforward exercise scheme or a more competitive floor mat, whichever motivates you more. There are no buttons, charging, or cables to think about. Loop is activated as soon as you turn the app on and will run up to a year on a replaceable coin cell battery. Simple. We are a team of entrepreneurs with years of experience in designing and manufacturing ergonomic products for women, as well as developing smart fitness electronics. We've consulted institutions and therapists, working especially within pelvic health, as well as had women of different ages and varying experience with pelvic floor exercises test Loop to ensure the best possible result.
Lost your keys? With Tracker Pixel, just grab your phone and find them. Like that. Or press Tracker Pixel to make your phone ring loudly, even on silent mode. Spend more time doing what you love and less time looking for your stuff. With the family sharing feature, everyone in the family can keep track together. Find things fast with Tracker Pixel's loud ringer and bright LED lights. And when you lose an item away from your phone, rely on the power of Tracker's global network of users, CrowdLocate. You'll even get private location updates and quick access directions so you can track it down fast. Everything you need is right here with Tracker Pixel.